Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to practice passing aim. In the beginning, let's go to practice and go to pass. Select Wack-a-mole and now pass so you will hit the red target. To start passing, press square or B button. To aim while passing, use left analog. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.